Byrna is legal in every place in New York, except probably New York City. New York City, you run into the administrative code of the city of New York, which bans pellet guns and these types of things that are fired from by the force of spring. Those are specifically exempt under New York state law from being firearms. By the way, in New Jersey, they are firearms. They're sort of like stun guns, which is that it's probably illegal constitutionally to ban them. There's actually an older case, Caetano, which is a Supreme Court case, the most important Second Amendment case from the Supreme Court that you've never heard of, which actually deals with stun guns in Massachusetts and struck down Massachusetts' ban on stun guns. Based upon that case, there was a case in the Northern District of New York called Avitable. The stun gun law in New York was struck down as unconstitutional, but despite that, I've had people arrested in New York and judges refused to dismiss stun gun arrests in New York City. It's not binding precedent in New York City, it's only binding precedent in the upper part of the state, so the judges feel that they don't have to follow it. The import of Caetano is that basically the Second Amendment applies to any bearable arm. If you have an outright ban on something like a Byrna, but you allow a license to carry a pistol, it's sort of hard to justify. So I think ultimately it would fail, but at the same time, you might spend a lot of money trying to fight that.